What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. And in today's video we are having a comparison between Xdobo X8 Plus and Anker Soundcore Trance wireless party Bluetooth speaker. Now this speaker is especially made for outdoor parties and available in two versions. The one which is sold in UK is the Trance Go, which come without LED lights in the front. But you can buy in America, which is in the lights one, which called Neo something actually. I don't remember the exact name at all. The only difference you're going to find is the no light and light. Simple as that. Now first to start with, we're going to have a look into the features and specifications offered by both Bluetooth speakers, following with the audio output performance, which will be consist over indoors as well as outdoors, ending with the conclusion that which one has performed better. I can understand from the viewer's point of view that Xdobo X8 Plus is a small Bluetooth speaker, but you don't need to forget one thing here guys. It comes with the power which is 80 watt of RMS, and you feel like it's a small Bluetooth speaker, but when it pounds the sound out of it, it is awesome, no doubt whatsoever. So first let's have a look into the features and specifications offered by Xdobo X8 Plus. From the design side to start with, it is indoor and outdoor compatible Bluetooth speaker. Come with the IPX5 water rating, true wireless stereo support, option of preset equalizer settings, come with the stereo 2.1 output with 80 watt of total RMS power, frequency ranging from 20 to 16 kilohertz, whereas on WKing D9 frequency response start from 40 to 20 kilohertz. On Xdobo X8 Plus, you also have a support for 3.5mm auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, support for power bank feature, which means you can charge up your smartphone devices on the go, micro SD card which can go up to 128 gigabytes to play music from, and a USB-C type input port for charging the speaker. Well, now let's check out the Trance Go, which to start with come with a power output of 50 watts. For this big size, 50 watt power output, okay-ish. Come with the one passive radiator on the back and a subwoofer in the front with a tweeter on top. Kind of straightforward, not a stereo, mono Bluetooth speaker. Come with a playtime of 24 hours with the support of Soundcore application, which means you can customize the equalizer setting and use Soundcore presets as well if you want to. Have a IPX7 fully waterproof rating, portable design with the handle, you can carry it anywhere you want. And on the back have a support for 3.5mm auxiliary port to play music from non-Bluetooth supporting devices, USB-A output to charge up your smartphone devices on the go, and a USB-C input for charging this Bluetooth speaker. Now all controlling buttons on the top of the speaker are very much self-explanatory. To be honest with you, you would not have any problem to operate this speaker. The Soundcore Trance Go speaker also have a support of party cast. That means you can connect 100 plus of these speakers together, and also have a support of true wireless stereo as well. And honestly speaking, from the side of build quality, you should be more confident. It's made by Soundcore and it's pretty much solid Bluetooth speaker as well. Well, now it's time to go ahead with the audio output performance, where I'll be playing some royalty-free music, which will be consist over the range of frequencies, give you a better idea that how's the frequency response, following with the playing at different volume ranges too, which also give you a better idea that how's the bass output at lower volume ranges. of this video. Now you can share your thoughts that which speaker has performed better. Now within process of comparison, you have to always remember the two important factors. One in here is the price tag, and second one here is the different ranges actually. Soundcore Trance Go is an outdoor speaker, outdoor party speaker, whereas Xdobo X8 Plus isn't a party speaker. It's a speaker which can work in indoors and outdoors. You can tell by the design as well. But Xdobo X had performed better out in my personal opinion. No doubt whatsoever. The sound output was very nice, the vocals were very much clear, outdoor performance was way acceptable in my personal range. But the winner of this competition will be the Soundcore Trance Go. The reason is very much simple, that it is a solid speaker actually. The output was solid and consistent throughout all the time. Yes, I have seen it lacking onto the high frequency range, but honestly speaking, when you are on a bass fan, you want something like that pounding in your pool party. Trance Go is sold about £130 in the UK, and obviously Xdobo X8 Plus, you all should know the price by now. It's about ranging from £60 to £70. Now, if in your country you can get hold of Xdobo X8 Plus very easily, go for this one. No need to worry about buying Soundcore. But if you can get hold of Soundcore, go for it, guys. No doubt, no thinking whatsoever about that. Now, that will be all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.